Sushi dreams, kitchen reality. Hi everyone! Love sushi? You can make it at home. It's fun and delicious. Forget fancy restaurants. Your kitchen is the new sushi spot. I'm here to guide you. Simple steps, yummy results. Ready to roll? Let's go. Treasure hunt. Finding your sushi stars. First, the ingredients. Let's embark on a culinary adventure to create the perfect sushi. The journey begins with selecting the finest ingredients. Freshness is key for amazing sushi. Always choose the freshest fish and vegetables. Look for vibrant colors and firm textures. Fresh fish like salmon and tuna are essential for that melt-in-your-mouth experience. Sushi rice. Special short-grain rice makes sticky rice. This rice is the foundation of your sushi. Measure it carefully and rinse it thoroughly to remove excess starch. The right rice will give your sushi that perfect texture. Nori seaweed. Thin, dark green sheets hold everything together. These sheets are essential for rolling your sushi. Make sure they are crisp and not too brittle. They add a subtle flavor and keep your sushi intact. Rice vinegar seasoning for that classic sushi taste. Mix it with your cooked rice to give it that signature tangy flavor. It also helps in making the rice sticky, which is crucial for rolling. Fillings. Get creative. Salmon, tuna, cucumber, avocado, anything goes. The beauty of sushi is in its versatility. You can experiment with different fillings like crab, shrimp, or even fruits like mango for a unique twist. Find these at most supermarkets. Most of these ingredients are readily available at your local supermarket. Look for a dedicated sushi section or visit an Asian grocery store for more variety. Now for the fun part, cooking. Cooking sushi rice requires precision. Use a rice cooker for best results. Once the rice is ready, let it cool slightly before adding the vinegar mixture. Now, you're ready to roll your sushi. Lay out your nori, spread the rice evenly, and add your fillings. Roll it tightly and slice it with a sharp knife. Enjoy your homemade sushi. Rice is nice. Cooking sushi's foundation. Sushi rice is the heart of the dish. Rinse it well before cooking. Use a rice cooker or pot. Follow the instructions on the rice package. Once cooked, add sushi vinegar. Gently fold it in, don't smash the rice. Let it cool to room temperature before you start rolling. Filling fun. Slice and dice your favorites. While the rice cools, prep your fillings. Cut everything into thin strips. Fish should be sushi grade, meaning safe to eat raw. No compromises on safety. Vegetables add crunch and freshness. Cucumber, avocado, carrots are great choices. Keep your fillings ready, they'll be rolled up soon. Roll like a pro. The bamboo mat is your friend. The bamboo mat, also known as a makisu, is an essential tool in the art of sushi making. It might look simple, but it plays a crucial role in achieving those perfect restaurant-quality rolls that we all love. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned sushi chef, mastering the use of the bamboo mat can elevate your sushi game to new heights. Now the exciting part, rolling. This is where the magic happens. Rolling sushi can seem intimidating at first, but with a bit of practice and the right technique, you'll be rolling like a pro in no time. The bamboo mat provides the structure and support needed to create tight, even rolls that hold together beautifully. A bamboo mat, or makisu, helps you make perfect rolls. It's made of thin strips of bamboo tied together with cotton string, creating a flexible yet sturdy surface. This allows you to apply even pressure as you roll, ensuring that your sushi is compact and well-formed. The bamboo mat is versatile and can be used for various types of rolls, from traditional maki to more complex inside-out rolls. First, lay a nori sheet on the mat, shiny side down. The nori, or seaweed, acts as the outer layer of your sushi roll. By placing it shiny side down, You ensure that the rougher side, which holds the rice better, is facing up. This small detail can make a big difference in the final texture and appearance of your sushi. Then, spread a thin layer of rice on the nori, leaving some space at the top edge. The rice should be evenly distributed to create a smooth, uniform layer. It's important to leave a small margin at the top of the nori sheet, as this will help seal the roll once it's complete. Use your fingers or a rice paddle to gently press the rice into place, being careful not to crush the grains. Next, arrange your fillings on top of the rice. This is where you can get creative with your ingredients. Traditional fillings include fresh fish, cucumber, and avocado, but feel free to experiment with different combinations to suit your taste. Just be sure not to overfill the roll, as this can make it difficult to close and cut neatly. Lift the edge of the mat closest to you and start rolling, tucking in the fillings as you go. The key to a successful roll is to keep the pressure even and consistent. Use your fingers to guide the mat and ensure that the fillings stay in place. As you roll, the bamboo mat will help shape the sushi into a tight cylinder. Press gently as you roll to make a tight cylinder. Applying gentle pressure helps to compact the rice and fillings, creating a cohesive roll that holds together well. Once you've reached the end of the nori sheet, give the roll a final press to ensure it's secure. With practice, you'll develop a feel for the right amount of pressure to use, resulting in beautifully formed sushi every time. Sushi surgery. Clean cuts. Beautiful bites. The art of sushi making is a delicate balance of precision and finesse. Each cut must be deliberate, each slice a testament to the chef's skill and dedication. The journey to perfect sushi begins with the right tools and techniques. A sharp knife is important for this step. The knife is the extension of the chef's hand, and its sharpness is crucial. A dull knife can ruin the texture and appearance of the sushi, making it less appealing and harder to eat. Investing in a high-quality sushi knife is essential for any aspiring sushi chef. Wet the blade before each cut. This simple step ensures that the knife glides smoothly through the roll, preventing the rice from sticking to the blade. It also helps in making cleaner cuts, which is vital for maintaining the integrity of the sushi roll. Slice the roll in half, then into smaller pieces, about 1 inch thick. Precision is key here. Each piece should be uniform in size to ensure even cooking and a consistent eating experience. The 1 inch thickness is ideal for a perfect bite, balancing the flavors and textures of the ingredients. Wipe the knife clean between cuts to avoid squishing the roll. This step is often overlooked, but is crucial for maintaining the sushi's shape and appearance. A clean knife ensures that each cut is as precise as the first, preserving the roll's structure and making it visually appealing. Arrange the sushi pieces nicely on a plate, almost ready to eat. Presentation is an integral part of sushi making. The way the sushi is arranged on the plate can enhance the dining experience, making it not just a meal but a visual feast. Take your time to place each piece thoughtfully, creating a beautiful and appetizing display. Presentation, power, serving sushi in style. Sushi is meant to be enjoyed, so make it look beautiful. Arrange it on a nice plate. Add a side of pickled ginger, wasabi, and soy sauce for dipping. Chopsticks are traditional, but forks work too. Flavor freedom. Your sushi, your rules. Congratulations, you made sushi. It's even better than takeout because made it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different fillings, sauces, and toppings. Have fun, be creative, and enjoy the delicious world of homemade sushi.